Okay, let's continue for our practice problem number 5. A parking lot charges 30 pesos for the first 2 hours and 10 pesos for each additional hour. Represent this as a piecewise function. So we're given 30 pesos for the first 2 hours and then additional of 10 pesos per additional hour after 2 hours. So we are required the P. Let us use P a function of H, where P is the parking lot charge or fee for H is greater than or equal to 0. For P a function of X that is equal to 30 whenever H is greater than or equal to 0 and is less than or equal to 2. And then, it is 30 plus 10 times H minus 2 whenever H is greater than 2. And so, this is the plot using our Desmos calculator. And the command that you are going to place in there is C, a function of H is equal to open curly bracket, H is greater than or equal to 0, but is less than or equal to 2, colon 30. And then, comma, that's the first condition. And the second condition would be H greater than 2, colon, and then 30 plus 10 times H minus 2. And then open and close in a parenthesis. And then finally, close curly bracket. And then, proceeding to our practice problem number 6, a movie streaming service costs 300 pesos per month for up to 50 hours of streaming. After 50 hours, each additional hour costs 5 pesos. Write the piecewise function. So we're given 300 pesos up to 50 hours and 5 pesos per hour after 50. And the required cost as a function of H for S is greater than or equal to 0. We use the variable, the capital letter S coming from streaming service cost. Streaming, it starts with an S. So we have now the piecewise function for our solution. S, a function of H is equal to 300 for H is greater than or equal to 0 but is less than or equal to 50. And then 300 plus 5 times H minus 50 for H is greater than 50. And here is the graph for our for that transfer function using Desmos, noting how to write correctly our C a function of S in Desmos. Practice problem number 7. An amusement park charges 500 pesos for a ticket if the visitor is below 18 years old, 700 pesos for ages 18 to 60, and 400 pesos for seniors 61 and above. Represent this as a piecewise function. So, given 500 pesos greater than 18 and then 700 pesos 16 to 60, 18 to 60, and then 400 pesos greater than or equal to 61. Required the price a function of age. So that A there is amusement park charge. So our solution will be a function of A. So small letter A there means age, 500, where A is greater than or equal to 0, but is less than 18. And then 700, where A is greater than or equal to 18, but is less than or equal to 60. And then 400, for A is greater than or equal to 61. And then this is our Desmos graphing calculator graph, noting how to write our P, a function of A, in Desmos online calculator. Number 8, a shipping company charges 200 pesos for packages up to 2 kilograms, 50 pesos for every kilogram between 2 and 5 kilograms, and 75 pesos for every kilogram above 5. Write the piecewise function. So we're given 200 pesos up to 2 kilograms, and then additional of 50 pesos per kilogram from 2 to 5, and then additional 75 pesos per kilogram above 5. So required, our cost, C, a function of W, where W is greater than or equal to 0. Our solution is a commutative or continuous. So C, a function of W, is equal to 200. W is greater than or equal to 0, but is less than or equal to 2. And then 200 plus 50 minus 2, for W is greater than 2 but is less than or equal to 5. And then 200 plus 50 times 50 minus 2 plus 75 times W minus 5 for W is greater than, for W greater than 5. And here is the graph using our Desmos calculator, noting how to write our function C, a function of W, in Desmos online calculator. Practice problem number 9. An electric company charges 8 pesos per kilowatt hour for the first 100 kilowatt hour, 10 pesos per kilowatt hour for the next 200 kilowatt hour, and 12 pesos per kilowatt hour beyond 300. Express this as a piecewise function. So we are given 8 pesos per kilowatt hour for 100 kilowatt hours. And then the next would be 10 pesos for the next 200 kilowatt hour. And then we have 12 pesos beyond 300. So required, our bill, we call it then E of the bill, a function of E is equals to E for E is greater than or equal to 0. So our solution, E of the bill, a function of E, is equal to 8E, where E is greater than or equal to 0, but is less than or equal to 100. And then 8 times 100 plus 10 times E minus 100 from E is greater than 100, but is less than or equal to 300. Take note that 8 times 100 is 800. And then we have 8 times 100 plus 10 times 200 plus 12 times e minus 300 for e greater than 300. E there is the kilowatt hour consumed or the power consumed. And then we have practice prob. This is now our graph for that function. Note how to write correctly the function in Desmos calculator. And then practice problem number 10. A bookstore offers a discount 0% if fewer than 3 books are bought, 10% if 3 to 5 books are bought, and 20% if more than 5 books are bought. Represent this as a piecewise function of the number of books. So we're given 0% if n is less than 3, 10% if 3 is less than or equal to n, but is less than or equal to 5, and then 20% if n is greater than 5. And then we are asked to determine the discount rate R a function of n. So R there pertains to the rate, the discount rate. And n is the number of books. So then we have R a function of n is equal to 0 if n is less than 3. It's 0.10 from where n is equal to greater than or equal to 3, but is less than or equal to 5. And then 0.2 for n is greater than 5. And this is the graph using our online Desmos calculator. Practice problem number 11. A toll-free system charges 50 pesos for cars, 80 pesos for vans, and 120 pesos for trucks. Express this as a piecewise function depending on the type of vehicle. So, given car 50, van 80, truck 120. So, required T, a function of type. So, our solution is T, a function of B. B represents the type of the vehicle. T, a function of B, is equal to 50, where B is the car, 80, B is equals to van, 120, B is equals to the truck. And that is the graph using the online Desmos calculator. Practice problem number 12. A gym membership costs 1,000 monthly if visits are less than 10. 1,500 if 10 to 20 visits, and 2,000 if more than 20 visits. Write the piecewise function. So we're given 1,000 pesos, V is less than 10, 1,500 if visit B is greater than or equal to 10, but is less than or equal to 20, and then 2,000 if B is greater than 20. So required the monthly bill. So G, a function of B. Our solution will be G, a function of B, is equal to 100, where B is less than 10, 1,500 if B is less than or equal to 10, but is less than or equal to 20, and then 2,000 for B is greater than 20. And here is the graph using the Desmos online calculator. we will have the next part of this lesson.